Hi everyone, welcome to the 7th business update on the road to SyncQL. In the business update videos, we talk about the sales, marketing, and operations of SyncQL and getting the product ready for launch. Today's business update, I want to talk about revenue streams. So we're building this technology. It's really cool. It's kind of a tech that underpins a lot of other activities that businesses do when they're building applications or integrating APIs that they're using. But how are we going to make money, right? So that's the central question. We don't have a business if no one pays us, right? And so part of the reason of doing the series, The Road to SyncQL, is to validate what businesses and what customers will actually buy this product. It's interesting because with SyncQL, we kind of feel there's three potential revenue streams that we can make out of this product. And which ones are going to kind of be the winners, we're not quite sure yet. We're still feeling that out. But I just wanted to share those with you today and let you into what we're thinking. So the first potential revenue stream is that SyncQL is a software as a service, a SaaS platform. And basically, any company, any developer can come in and for $50 a month or whatever it ends up being, can sign up for an account, get a database, and start synchronizing APIs immediately. And there'll be some type of tiered pricing based on usage or something like that. But it's basically self-service, come in, buy the product, use it kind of model. Then the second revenue stream that we're thinking of is what we would call enterprise services. And this is right in our home turf because with Iterate Group, our agency, we already build custom applications today and we build integrations for customers. And so it's going to be a very similar business model to what we're used to, but basically using SyncQL as the primary technology for building businesses' integration solutions for them. And since SyncQL is unique in the market, this would give us a competitive advantage in this space. We would be able to bid deals at a much better value, get a lot more done a lot faster, and really help customers build new business applications in a way they haven't built before. But we would run it as kind of like an enterprise services firm or a consulting agency and really build out the software just like any other agency would, except that we're using SyncQL as the core technology. And then the third revenue stream that we're thinking of, which kind of gives us a completely different take, is we can use the SyncQL core to build new software products that don't exist, that don't have any direct relationship with SyncQL, but are just niche businesses with their own domain names, with their own branding, with their own marketing. So for example, one of the use cases that a viewer has said was, wow, syncing contacts would be really useful because I have my contacts in 7 different programs and I can never keep them up to date and I have to export manually, import manually. Well, once we finish SyncQL, we could put out, contact synchronizer, tool.com or something. And for $10 a month or $20 or a one-time fee or something like this, allow people to be able to sync their contacts. And so we just repackage SyncQL with all the work that we're doing in a way that is going to target a specific type of customer. And these kind of little niche businesses, packaging things up into a cohesive solution that they can deploy right away is something that we wouldn't be able to do under the SyncQL brand itself. It's too broad. You can't get keywords for it. It's hard to market for it. So potentially we're thinking that maybe a major revenue stream is finding ways that we can turn SyncQL, the core technology, into an instantly deployable service in all different types of industries, whatever that may be. So, all these, the business could be built on all of these or just one of these. We're certainly starting with, the customers that we can find first. Those are the most important, and those are the ones validating the product, and we're going to build it for them. So that's just kind of give you a little insight into what we're thinking of as we get closer to the launch. If you have any feedback, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Please put them in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next update.